sebe and ye politics. Atem didie e wini politics anka 2016 no mu wini ye. Atem didie e wini politics anka de omo friend na Ketia no sebe nke na Ketia anya president of Ghana. Asiafo anyansen ne mutrima mo sorry a bibia maton madwena ma political party ni so anya papa. Mo hwe de am president eka. Me see we ase se wo pe onipa a wo Ghana wo ye Lokia ene ne His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Na afen de mehu de enti a papa na brabo no akoye kosi enkosi koden koda. Wo ye nipa bi a wo ye trofo won ka no kure. Na otrofo bi aso no wo ye nipa bi a nani brade wo ye greedy. Because Ghana man ni na kai enim say answer na NDC for be free. So this was 2015-2016. Article 71 emolument. As a wa be sum wo man who we are yedema. Our father, who is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, altered it with his majority NDC people in parliament. He is the first one to add his spouse. Utie. Or no, and the first one to add his own spouse, which is Lordina Mahama, to be part of his package. And see that. It's me, ya na yam one, ya na mo amutu na Mahama beba. Oh, badi oba mo na mawu. Kwesi apia metie Canada na mete. Ya kai kana mo entia debi na mubehu. Na hwade the entia make a said the man is a liar and say. Chairman Drew and Che bia. And a power while desperate. I said 2020 or beton Samuel Yanto. 2020 no ka say Obama mortuary akozongo bia no wa yukada yanto sa we policy no. Nanse ya was sign sorry ya was yo waba ye be try exgressiam. Now me say debut chairman. Does His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, does he acknowledge say where the MP, me the main fan assemblyman, me the starting MP, where the deputy minister, where the minister, where the vice president, and I was here the president, Ghana na. Because say oyo bia or person ultra as gracia mua, anke bra nanka wa ye MP no. Anka opushi sa agenda no because orize ya benimu mutie ya papa Mahama orize ya benimu wa parliament ye ofra ba benimu ano no so taye chire enti adenti na se so ampa sa ya papa Mahama peso o kire Ghana fo se no o peso o twa exgratia mu a wan tumi ampushi sa agenda no krapo e wo parliament but en ne vote your peso o pesa sa de dada wo na 2008 mistake ya Ghana for ye ton ye color TV edu konje nya black and white po edu konje bonasum na nani be sheki Mahama eni ne sabe ne boss meze me mpem ho asem mills edu be twin ye kwa akire no na I was hoping seriously I was hoping sanka by now Ghanaians will be up and doing. Ghanaians will catch it say this man indeed has nothing for Ghana. They are all yeminaya, they are ebema or no Mahama na power. Ne misika watetiama NDC for grassroots near the adiano. Wabefako. Na wonye ni petri mordinya. No pursue try as gracia because say a deal mining ya. What about the resources of Ghana after you have been voted out as president? I can't knock a crania coin logrity a new president. You wake up one Sunday morning and the thing that came into your mind is to give bauxite deposit to your brother's company. $400 billion. They would have been the richest family in Africa. 400 Mipa family ba akupe sika nanka de command okoka na Timo media no mo mu nim fact na ya chi o ma said dem atim tesu agu ye num ntino wo mo sorry and tesu na e de ma o man no mo koka na ye research no ma begugu go and look how much this bauxite was worth ye de ma ba akofo at a very cheap price kayan farmer $100 million po and kayan man $100 million po. The same person comes and talks about he wants to save the public purse. Now, Yeah, Papa Mahama, obey Vice President of Ghana. Yeah, Papa Mahama, obey Vice President of Ghana. Sena ewana junimu ampa. Utie. Sena nke ewana junimu ampa pa se. Opeso osesa S Gracia. Mutie. Anke bra obey Vice President nipuno. Anka otwa anase oyeden anko forso ye ema yetwa S Gracia. Again, constitutional review. And the boss started here. Utie. Eya papa tamiris nyame fa ni krensie. O starting say, some part of a year constitution na. Muni na mo sorry amoka say yenya den. Oh yenya ni ye yenche ni ye no. His Excellency John Evans Atamiris and the constitution sadie no. Enya whole committee say, yancha kwanya ye de beden, ye de best say yembre ni mu. Mr. Mahama was the vice. Etienne Fanny said, Atamiris Ukradia, when to me I implement it, so best sa. Nanka will be woo, media de minimia, I can form a no, meaning how I know for omidi or my mind. But so will be winning a duty idea, and can you pan in your mouth, no, Kawo to us. Wuka Bushi Mukra, yet in the year crack out was that water no, now and then to us. And Yank will be winning a duty idea, Ghana, the Ananke Nipan and Yama, or ye, and they say what to us. But this son said, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you're very incompetent in every stretch of the way you look at this man. Very, very incompetent, and his depth about politics is very low. I wonder why he was sitting in that parliament. Whether he was there doing or he was just there because he has risen to the ranks. Because a president or a former we as one. Obama bejina ho bekasa. Hwede former presidents ya bebe na whether Republican one George Bush so ne yem penasem George Bush free so a oba ye eya o kasa kura na tie the way George Bush kasa adentia Miss be welcome because we'll go into an office here okwa your maturity must grow. The only person who became president, vice president, and is still even in opposition showing so you're incompetent. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ye be chatro. Chamandru who can ye brave me be exposing wa on Kofi Adoma ye yibi. And we build Accra Digital Center na the end of Miss Wong say wow. On say Unyankopon beto.
I know.
You build Accra Digital Center, yet you were not able to register one identification card. Yet monies were allocated 3 times. Again, the reason why ye many abre me Papa Mahama ho ene say onu nkwane sitting president ye bre so ye say wo kwotena fie no wo twro krata de call parliament said dia mepe enie me here way am a transitional committee for ye hu adwuma edema no obi a wo Ghana bia nim say Papa Mahama ye tua ne ka Brebi na saying the real phenomenon na me video ne dia ma chairman do Abranya ko make some points be